Hello? Is it Dinosaur BBQ?
I'm sorry, what was that?
Is it Dinosaur BBQ?
When you get the dinosaur, what do you do?
Bitch, shut up, okay? I'm trying to get them steaks, alright?
I'm sorry, what was that?
I said I'm trying to get a steak.
Trying to get a steak? Do you want to come in and eat, or are you trying to get to go?
Trying to come in and eat with your ass, baby. Yo, bitch, I said I'm trying to eat with your ass.
You're trying to what?
Eat with your ass.
I'm sorry, I can't. You're cutting in and out a little bit.
I'm trying to eat with your ass.
Did you want to go, or did you want to eat in the restaurant?
I want to eat in the restaurant.
Then you just come here and put your name on the wait list.
How the fuck you do that? Hello?
What do you mean, how do you do that? You just walk in the door, and there's a hostess.
Walk in the door. She just walk in the door? How the, I can't even fit in the door. I'm like 500 pounds.
Sorry, what was that?
I said I'm 500 pounds. I can't even fit through the goddamn door. Jeez.
I'm sorry, I didn't understand anything you just said. It broke in and out when you said something.
Oh my God, bitch. Get a goddamn better phone.
Hold on just a second, okay?
No. You said wait a second. It's been like I can't say you know already. Peace.
Thank you. How can I help you?
Yeah, I was just wondering what time you guys close.
We stop serving at midnight.
Oh, okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yep.
Alright, bye. You sound beautiful.